Lahat kailangan ng kapital or what we call pera. So it's money and opportunity. Okay? Ibubuhos mo lahat ng kapital na meron ka. And syempre, feeling mo, yun na lang yung opportunity meron ka. And mind you, hirap na hirap tayong i-grab yung opportunity or simulan yung negosyong gustong-gusto nating simulan. But let's assume na simulan mo na yung negosyo. When we make mistakes, of course, nagsasuffer yung kapital and feeling natin wala nang ibang opportunity. And when we make a lot of mistakes, it will cost us a lot of money, the opportunity, the time, the energy, sometimes even meaningful relationships. It will also cost us the love. Because minsan, pag nagkakamali tayo, nakakalimutan nating mahalin yung sarili natin, which leads to failure in our careers, especially entrepreneurship. So most of the time, titigil ka to rediscover yourself, para mahalin ulit yung sarili, mag-build ulit ng relationships, or feeling mo wala ka ng time kasi nga, kaya ka naman walang time, wala kang pera, so gugugulin mo yung oras mo para kumita ng pera, at feeling mo you lost a lot of opportunities, and wala ka na ring willpower to begin, to start over. Tapos sisisihin natin sa pera, opportunity, or maraming bagay. But in reality, we have to take accountability na kaya nangyari to, kaya napunta dito sa moment na to kasi nagkamali tayo.